And a federal judge has ruled the woman alleging she was raped by Jay-Z and Sean Diddy Combs can remain anonymous. The woman says both men raped her at a party when she was 13 years old. Jay-Z's legal team had fought to get the case dismissed, arguing his accuser should have to reveal her name.
Jay-Z, the iconic rapper and business mogul, finds himself entangled in a high-profile legal battle that has drawn widespread attention. His lawyer, Spiro, renowned for his relentless advocacy, is fighting to protect Jay-Z's life, reputation, and legacy. The stakes are incredibly high, with implications not only for Jay-Z's personal life, but also for his public image and business empire. In recent developments, attorney Tony Buzbee, representing several clients in civil lawsuits against music mogul Sean Diddy Combs, has added Jay-Z's name to one of the cases. Buzbee alleges that Jay-Z, along with Diddy and another unnamed female celebrity, was involved in an incident that violated a then 13-year-old girl. The alleged incident reportedly occurred during an MTV Music Awards after-party more than 20 years ago. Jay-Z vehemently denies these allegations, standing firm on his innocence. He claims that the accusations are baseless and have no foundation in reality. Despite his lawyer's efforts to have the case dismissed, the presiding judge, Annalisa Torres, has decided otherwise, keeping the case alive for further proceedings. Spiro, known for his assertive courtroom tactics, initially sought to dismiss the case by highlighting inconsistencies in the plaintiff's story. He organized a press conference accompanied by a detailed PowerPoint presentation to underscore these inconsistencies, expecting the judge to dismiss the case based on these arguments. However, Judge Torres was not swayed. Instead of granting the dismissal, Judge Torres criticized Spiro's approach, describing some of his actions as overstepping the bounds of courtroom decorum. For instance, Spiro submitted legal paperwork on December 17th and demanded an immediate response by the 18th, requesting a fast-tracked court date. Judge Torres reprimanded this move, noting that it was unrealistic and disruptive, especially during the holiday season when court schedules are already packed. Additionally, Spiro's team had requested that the plaintiff, referred to as Jane Doe, reveal her identity publicly. Judge Torres denied this request, allowing Jane Doe to remain anonymous for the time being. She also scolded Spiro for filing what she described as frivolous paperwork that lacked legal merit, warning him to adhere to proper legal standards moving forward. Jay-Z's legal team is preparing to file a motion to dismiss the lawsuit based on technical legal arguments. Spiro argues that the statute under which Jane Doe is suing did not exist at the time of the alleged incident and cannot be applied retroactively. This statute, enacted in December 2003, came into effect 3 months after the alleged incident took place. Moreover, Spiro contends that the allegations fail to meet jurisdictional requirements. Jane Doe claims she was transported from Radio City Music Hall to a white gated residence with a U-shaped driveway, approximately 20 minutes away. Spiro argues that any such residence, if it existed, would likely be outside New York City's boundaries, further challenging the legal grounds of the case. Another argument hinges on the expiration of the statute of limitations. According to Spiro, any claims related to the alleged incident would have expired by August 2021. These legal technicalities form the crux of Jay-Z's defense, with his team arguing that the case lacks the necessary legal and factual basis to proceed. On the opposing side, Tony Buzbee remains steadfast in his pursuit of justice for his client. He dismisses Spiro's arguments as mere technicalities, asserting that the law is firmly on Jane Doe's side. Buzbee emphasizes that the alleged victim deserves her day in court and that the legal system must hold powerful individuals accountable for their actions, regardless of the time that has passed. Buzbee has gained a reputation for his aggressive litigation style, particularly in cases involving high-profile defendants. With over 20 ongoing civil lawsuits against Diddy, this case has broader implications for his legal strategy. If Jay-Z's case is dismissed, it could potentially impact the credibility and viability of other cases linked to Diddy, creating a ripple effect that Buzbee aims to avoid. Judge Annalisa Torres has set the next court date for January 2025, allowing time for both parties to respond to outstanding issues. Her decision to keep the case alive reflects a cautious approach, ensuring that all legal arguments are thoroughly considered before any final rulings are made. By refusing to fast-track the case, she has signaled her intention to maintain a fair and orderly process. However, Spiro's aggressive tactics have not gone unnoticed by the court. Judge Torres's warnings about frivolous filings and improper requests suggest that she expects a higher standard of professionalism moving forward. Whether Spiro adjusts his approach remains to be seen, but his continued efforts to push the boundaries of courtroom protocol could backfire, potentially harming Jay-Z's defense. The legal battle has taken a toll on Jay-Z's personal life, particularly his marriage to global superstar Beyoncé. According to sources, Beyoncé is standing by her husband, but is deeply troubled by the allegations and their impact on their family's reputation. The couple, known for their carefully curated public image, has seen their perfect life disrupted by the controversy. Beyoncé reportedly wants the case resolved quickly so they can move past the ordeal and restore their sense of normalcy. For Jay-Z, the stakes extend beyond his marriage. His business ventures, philanthropic efforts, and cultural legacy are all intertwined with his public image. The longer the case drags on, the greater the risk to his reputation, regardless of the eventual outcome. As the case progresses, both sides remain firmly entrenched in their positions. For Jay-Z, the goal is clear. It's to have the case dismissed and restore his reputation. For Jane Doe and her legal team, the fight is about seeking justice and holding powerful individuals accountable. The legal battle between Alex Spiro and Tony Buzbee reflects the broader challenges of navigating complex allegations in the court of law and public opinion. While Spiro's aggressive tactics aim to protect his client, they risk alienating the judge and undermining the defense's credibility. On the other hand, Buzbee's determination to keep the case alive underscores the importance of advocating for survivors, even in the face of formidable opposition. As the January 2025 court date approaches, all eyes will be on Judge Torres's courtroom. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching implications, not only for the individuals involved, but also for the broader conversation about accountability and justice in the entertainment industry.